Hello everyone, hope you are fine and doing well. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will tell you about the incoming call problem in your device Realme GT Neo 3 5G. So if in this device you are having an issue related to the incoming calls are not showing on the display or you are not receiving the call, you can solve this by the method as I will show you in this video. So before starting, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe it and press the bell icon. Now follow the steps in this complete video and learn how you can solve the incoming call issue in your device. Let's watch the video.